Hello, this is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today I'm going to show you an installation we did of a Carrier 3-zone system. As always, if you like my videos, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you want to see more cool content from us at Albert Air, please hit the subscribe. And going from there, this is the system that we did today. It is a 2-ton condenser outside. It's a heat pump condenser, so it does both heat and cool. It is a 2-ton unit by Carrier with a variable speed inverter compressor, so it does multiple speeds for heat and multiple speeds for cooling. Now, originally we did this condenser, a traditional central AC system for our customer, and we came back and we did 3 zones of a ductless split system for the upstairs bedroom. Now, we ran those line covers up this wall right here, and we did 1 zone in the master bedroom, which is behind this line cover. We did the next zone. We can follow this line cover over. It goes up next to that window, and it actually about halfway up, it goes in and hits the middle bedroom zone. And then the line cover keeps going up to the top there. That goes in the attic and across the attic towards the front of the house to a high ceiling bedroom over the garage, which is typically the hottest room of the house. And we added these 3 zones, these 3 ductless split systems to these rooms because they were always hot and they wanted to be cool in those rooms. The master bedroom zone is a high ceiling zone, probably about 250 square feet high ceiling. So we did a 12,000 BTU fan coil sidewall unit there. The middle bedroom, we did a 9,000 BTU on the sidewall. And in the front bedroom, we did a 9,000 BTU too. This unit uses a 35 amp breaker and a 35 amp disconnect with fuses in it right there. The electrical is on the side of the house over this way, and the panel meets the garage. So we were able to run the electrical off the back of the panel, and we came out of the garage right here and ran a conduit all the way under here over to meet the line cover, which comes down into the disconnect here and then into the unit. As well as you can see all the refrigerant lines. There's 3 lines coming off this with 3 different ports on this unit, 1 for each zone. And it comes up, and we made a custom line cover that is about 10 inches wide, and that goes up to that point, and then it breaks off going straight up for the bedroom zone, for the master zone, and then over to meet the other 2 bedroom zones. If you guys would like more information about any Carrier ductless split system, Carrier central air conditioning system, heat pump system, anything like that, please call Albert Air at 714-526-6368. You can visit us at www.albertair.com. And again, please like and subscribe to this page. Thank you very much.